Matapang ang skin? Try this easy DIY that might leave your skin feeling softer and looking smoother. Kapag dry at rough, malaking tulong ang gently exfoliation at moisturizing. Ito lang ang kakailanganin mo: panty liner and toothpaste. Nagbibigay ng cooling at fresh feeling. Baking soda, tumutulong mag-exfoliate ng dry surface skin. Petroleum jelly, tumutulong mag-lock in moisture. Pagkatapos mag-exfoliate, i-spread ang toothpaste, baking soda at petroleum jelly evenly sa panty liner. Siguraduhin malinis ang pit bago gamitin. Ilagay ang panty liner sa rough areas, especially sa heels, then gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for around 10 minutes, then banlawan ng mabuti. After rinsing, mag-apply ng moisturizer at magsuot ng cotton socks para mas makatulong ma-retain ang moisture. Don't expect overnight results, especially kung deeply crack ang heels. Pero with regular foot care, this may help remove dry surface skin at mag-iiwan ng feet na mas soft,